Hi, do you own a hair salon? Or maybe do you work in a salon where you have some space there? Would you like an extra cash flow in your salon? If yes, how about filling up your salon with a nice looking display and some very beautiful hair bundles? Of course, for sales. Having some natural hairs displayed in a display will really push the sales. When your client comes to you to get a hairstyle from you, the display with beautiful hairs will grab their attention and they will definitely would want to buy it. They will be able to touch the hairs inside the display, so they can just have it on their hand, they can feel it, they can touch it. And you don't even have to say a word to convince them to buy it. If they like it, they would just buy it, from your display. I have all kinds of hairs in large amounts. I've been collecting hairs since 2008. I can fill up your display with nice, beautiful, great quality hair bundles. You don't need to invest lots of money. All you need is just a nice looking display with some bright lights, and display there have there some beautiful high quality hair bundles. You don't need too much of hair bundles. A couple of kilos of hair bundles are usually enough. You can just fill up your display with those 2 kilos of hair bundles. And let's say some time passed and within a few months you were not able to sell your hair bundles. Then, well, no worries, I can take them back. We will discuss it further, of course. These days I have been collecting more and more hairs. I've also invested even more money into the hair, so I've got lots of hairs now coming in. And I need more and more hair sales. Oh, by the way, how about if I send you some hair on partial credit? Partial credit meaning you pay with some down payment, you buy the hair, you get the hair, you put them in your display, and then the rest is on credit. You can close the credit whenever you make your hair sales. Let's say you sold the bundle, you can pay me, you can close your credit. We can also work in that terms as well. That way you're not putting tons of money into the hair. And I'd like to thank you so much for your time. And if you have space in your salon to put a display with some beautiful hairs and do some extra cash flow, that would be great. And thank you so much for your interest. Bye now.